This tutorial shows you how to change PDFs to open with a different app instead of automatically launching in Chrome. First, right-click on any PDF file on your computer. After that, hover over Open With, then click Choose Another App. From there, a window will open showing available apps. At this point, select the app you'd like to use instead, like Adobe Acrobat Reader or Microsoft Edge. In the next step, check the box that says Always use this app to open .pdf files. Following this, click OK to confirm. Once done, open any PDF file to confirm it now launches with your chosen app instead of Chrome. From here, if this didn't work, go to Settings, then click on Apps. At this stage, click on Default Apps, then search for .pdf in the search bar. Keep in mind, Windows sometimes resets default apps after major updates, so you may need to repeat this process occasionally. Finally, select your preferred app from the list to set it as the default for all PDF files. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix PDF files showing as Google Chrome on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.